So this is how to fix FC Mobile not launching problem. If your FC Mobile is not launching, this is what you have to do. First of all, go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, what you have to do is to just tap on it to open it. So tap on your phone settings to open it. So this is my phone settings, so tap on it. So after tapping on it, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notifications. So just tap on it. So when you tap on it, now tap on see all apps over here. So after tapping on see all apps, you have to search for your FC Mobile over here. So if you can't find your FC Mobile, just tap on this button over here. Tap on the search button over here. So tap on it to search for FC Mobile. So when you tap on it, this is going to pop up, which is the keyboard. So just type in FC Mobile and it's going to pop up like this. In this video, I'll be using this demo app to illustrate or to show you how to fix this problem on your FC Mobile app. So just tap on the FC Mobile apps when they appear. Then after that, tap on the four stop over here. Then this is going to pop up. Then you tap on OK. Then after that, tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. So after that, go back and tap on permissions over here. So after tapping on permission, make sure that every permission over here is allowed and not denied. So after allowing everything, just go to the back section and tap on storage and cache. So after tapping on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache over here to clear the cache. So after doing this, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So when you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, make sure the background data is turned on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to check the update. If you don't have the latest update, you have to get the latest update by tapping on the update to get the latest update. So after that, what you have to do is to restart your device by tapping on your power button for some while. This is going to pop up, which is restart, power off, airplane mode. So you just have to tap on restart or reboot. Do you get me? So if you can't find restart and you find reboot, it's the same process. Just tap on it, wipe it down or top or left or right to turn it off, and it's going to turn on automatically after restarting it. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next one, and after restarting or rebooting it, it's going to get fixed.